Pete Guida with Bethesda Bungalows in the incredibly green home here in Chevy Chase, Maryland. We've got Second Chance out of Baltimore in here today doing some recycling. You know, that's the company that we call to take out all the recycling that we can. Windows, doors, floors. Today they're here tearing out the ceiling to get to the floor joists so they can recycle that stuff. Take a look at the video and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
All right, we got the guys from Second Chance out here today, doing a little house demo. That looks hazardous. That was 3 yards in a cloud of dust.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
That's what we do for Second Chance.
Second Chance, Baltimore, Maryland. Tearing it up.